Hello fellow cosplayers and welcome to my next makeup tutorial and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are all having a great Valentine's Day weekend, and I came up with this look, this gorgeous look for all of you. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this. Now what drove me to create this look in the first place is I saw this picture of a guy named VillFX. He did this look for the Valentine's Day, except what he did is he put like blockers on like the heart things, and then just like put like paint around it, and then peeled it off. They'll be like skin shaped hearts, and they'll just be like pink all around it. But then I decided to be like, okay, I'll try that as well, but except this time I'll do it a bit differently. I will sketch out the hearts and then fill it in. So that's what drove me to create this creation. So yeah, and I will also be uploading a lip sync of this video as well. So if you want to see a cool lip sync of me doing this makeup, head over to my Instagram. And enough chit chat, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so to start out this look, I've already have my base on for my face. Now I decided not to, because girl, I show you tons of videos on how to do my base, so yeah. But I will actually think of uploading a video on how to do your base. So I will, if you want to see me do that, just leave it in the comments. Just leave it in the comments. So for the first step is the eyes. I'm gonna start with the base. I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and apply it on the eye as the base, and then put that up on the lid, and then just blend it in like so. Next, I am taking this NYX eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this skin tone, sorry about that, this skin tone color, and then I am applying it on the lid, just so it can look a little bit more skin color, but also to set it. Because it's a cream product, I do not want it to blend into the eyeshadows that I'm going to put on top. Next, I'm taking this matte powder blush, and it's like a hot pink shade. I'm going to take this, and I'm going
to apply that on the eyelid as a base.
And then I'm just gonna... like that. Next, I am taking this eyeshadow by NYX in Pink Lady. This is more of like a... And I'm gonna use that on... I kind of want to get like a... kind of like a smoky eye kind of look. Like that. Is what I am going for. Next, I'm gonna take this like eyeshadow palette, and I have this for like years, so it's pretty beat up. But I'm gonna take this light pink shade, and I'm gonna use that as I'm gonna use it as
a highlight for the eyes. I am just putting that right on top of the lid as a highlight. It's best to use like pinks and whites for this look. And reds. Yeah. Next, I am taking this hot pink shade from my palette again, and then I am putting that on the lid for some shadows. And if you're... Next, I am taking some glitter gel by Blackheart Beauty, and I am putting that to give it a little bit of shine, because you got to, every Valentine must shine.
Over there to give it that kind of glam. Who doesn't like a little To top off the eyes, I am taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Strawberry Milk. And I am going
to put it on the eyelid, just to give it a little bit extra shine. Yeah. Because like I said, Valentines must shine.
I am taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil and I'm creating some hearts.
And then I am just drawing it all over on my neck, on my chest, to make it look like that I was hit by Cupid's tiny arrow.
To fill these hearts in, I am taking the white and the magenta from the Makeup Forever. No, not the Makeup Forever, the Flash palette. This is the Eye Magic Flash color case, which is an exact dupe for the Makeup Forever Flash palette, which is like $100 and something dollars, but this is like $18.99 or something off of Amazon. And I cannot afford the Makeup Forever one, but I got this as a present and for Christmas, and I love these colors. Mama loves man colors, so I'm gonna take a spatula. And I am going to take a little magenta. I was going for this kind of shade, so I think this would be perfect. I'll take a bit of actually, I'm going to take it on a brush. It looks like frosting. And just set off by pulling
Now, normally for when I'm doing body painting, I like to use water activated paint opposed to grease paint, since it's much better, but I don't have the colors in what I need, so yeah.
Sorry.
I don't have the colors of like the hot pink water-based paint, so I'm just gonna be using green paint for today. A bit of a trendy girl, and I think it turned out pretty well. Pretty well.
Frosted.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are no one. And I can't
Oh, and if you want something that is less messier, because girl, grease paint is so messy, I would recommend using like something like water activated paint, but I was going for some kind of like the bleeding part. And then look. Next, I'm taking my RCMA translucent setting powder.
And I am using that to set our little heart shapes. And this is crucial when you're using grease paint, because if you are more familiar with grease paint, you know that you must set it so it doesn't smudge. But only do it until when you're happy with how it looks. Then I am just dusting off that powder off it. 'Cause come on, we are one of Cupid's victims, not a powdered donut. For the lips, I am taking some this burgundy lip liner that I got at Shoppers Drug Mart, and I am lining my lips. I'm lining my lips and also kind of shaping them to make them a little bit more plumper. And then I am filling it in with my MAC lipstick in full fuchsia, the perfect shade for this look.
Okay, my love. Okay, my loves. We are done with today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy Valentine's Day, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and all the products that I use will be listed in the video description. And well, bye, and I love you guys with all my heart.